Hello everyone, my name is Yvonne. I'm a student from University of Wollongong. Today we will discuss about the contribution of sustainable development in two consortium companies. They are the Singapore-based company and they are the leader in oil and gas industry as well. In terms of Sustainable Development Goal number 7, we will figure out what they have contributed and how they contribute to the people and society in this planet. Holistic marketing concept is based on development, design, and implementation of marketing program, process, and activity that recognize their breadth and interdependency. Firstly, relationship marketing emphasizes on building long-term and strong relationships with other important parties, such as channel, customer, and partners. Secondly, internal marketing aims to bring all the employees together and other departments to achieve the goals. Integrated marketing will focus on delivering value to customers through its marketing channels, such as social media, websites, and other public relations. Lastly, performance marketing will identify financial and non-financial returns to the business and society through its marketing activities and programs. Semborp Marine Limited is one of the well-known companies in Singapore. The company has achieved 3.54 billion Singapore dollar in revenue, 78 million in net profit, which is over 2% of net profit in that year. Now, let's look at their contribution of sustainable development in the company. Let's welcome our team member, Alex Fan.
Thanks, Yuan. Yes, you're right. As we all know in Singapore, Semborp Marine is a leading company, providing not only products, but also engineering solutions to the offshore, marine, and energy industries. To find out how they manage their SDG, or do they have an SDG management system? Let's go to Semborp Marine to make some investigation and research. And many public areas such as conference room, mess room, signboard, and a working area, we can find a sustainability logo with 8 core values. Semborp Marine has formed a sustainability steering committee to provide a strategic direction for managing sustainability-related risks and opportunities. They have also identified SDG 6 and 7 as their core sustainable goals. Now let's focus on SDG 7, affordable and clean energy. Semborp Marine currently has a growing renewable energy portfolio in Brazil, India, China, UK, and Singapore. The International Energy Agency forecasts India and China growth of 600 gigawatts over the next 5 years. The Singapore government aims to install solar capacity to 350 megawatts by 2030, and Semborp Marine is the main provider. In 2016, Semborp Marine delivered an offshore platform for UK wind farm, which supplies clean energy to over 400,000 UK homes. Semborp Marine has identified some other goals as it's supporting SDGs, such as SDG 3, 9, 11, 12, 13, and so on. In recent years, dual-fuel diesel engine has been installed and operated in a number of new energy carriers and offshore support vessels. For the existing ships, Semborp Marine has installed a scrubber system for exhaust gas treatment. Ballast water treatment system has been installed on board as well. From the key performance index, we can find many contributions such as control the greenhouse gas emission, environmental protection by water and waste withdrawal, people training, community donation, and so on. In conclusion, after improving energy efficiency and cost saving, then are critical indicators of SDG 7. They are $416 million retained by Semborp Marine. They are ranked 21st in Energy Intelligence Top 100 Green Utilities ranking. The group is the only company from the Singapore on the list. This demonstrates Singapore's commitment to SDGs, which ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Alex. Now let's move on to another company, Keppel Offshore and Marine Limited. The company has achieved 2.8 billion Singapore dollar in the revenue and 28 million in net profit in the same year. However, the company has started developing sustainable development goals within the organization. Now, let's welcome our team member, J.K. Lin.
Thanks, Yvonne. According to Keppel Offshore and Marine Sustainability Framework, Keppel Offshore and Marine primarily focus on sustaining growth, empowering life, and nurturing communities. However, Keppel Offshore and Marine did not mention specifically in their annual report they are focusing on which type of SDG. According to the Straits Times, Chief Executive Mr. Loh Chin Hua said, "Sustainability is the heart of our business and we carefully consider environmental, social and governance issues in the determination of our strategy and policies." After a careful evaluation on their sustainability framework, our team has come to a conclusion that Keppel Offshore and Marine is contributing to energy efficiency, electric saving, and which will directly save costs. Upon a thorough study on the Keppel Offshore and Marine's annual report, what we find comparable to Semborp Marine is that Keppel Offshore Marine does practice energy efficiency as well, which based on the explanation, it is being eco-conscious not only to protect environment, but also support sustainable operations. Through energy efficient practices, Keppel Offshore and Marine manages the ecological impact as well as to ensure cost saving. From this sentence, we're able to conclude that Keppel only focuses on 2 out of the 3 P's, which are planet and profit. From the first highlight of the energy efficiency was carbon footprint reduction, where 710 tons of CO2 reduced by Keppel Offshore and Marine. As reported from the Business Times on May 31st, 2018, Keppel pledged to cut carbon emission by 28.8% by year 2030. Keppel also mentioned that they are working to progressively include the overseas facilities in their emission monitoring, as well as to achieve the 16% improvement in its greenhouse gas intensity from 2030 business as usual levels. Measure taken includes switching off the use of diesel generator to power supply cable in providing electricity. Besides that, Keppel Offshore and Marine also switched from using liquefied petroleum gas to a compressed natural gas as a source fuel to replace their diesel generator with a better static frequency converter for vessel power requirements. Keppel Offshore and Marine also mentioned that they have saved more than 2,000 kWh of energy from their new welding processes, as well as their auto cut-off electricity when their devices are idling. Other than that, Keppel Offshore and Marine also reduced the usage of forklift, which conserve energy as well. It led to a drop of approximately 115 tons of CO2 annually. The group also seek to build energy conscious culture across all levels of their workforce. Employees are encouraged to take active steps to conserve energy in their daily routine as well. Energy or water saving tips are regularly shared to their employees to create an awareness of this. In addition, campaigns are also regularly held internally to promote a good practice in their company. Keppel Offshore Marine will be able to achieve the 3P, which are profit, people and planet, where they are able to protect the planet and yet making profit out of the newly produced energy, and also to ensure the community have the access to the newly produced energy. They can start doing so by investing in local infrastructure research and development, for example, the tidal wave energy, to establish accessible energy service and bringing new technology to the market. From all these suggestions, we believe that Keppel Offshore Marine will be able to maximize their profit yet being environmental and community friendly. This will further boost their profile on their next annual report evaluation.
Thank you, JK. There is many companies in Singapore have started practicing sustainable development. It could increase the awareness of brand image as well as competitive advantages. In addition, the company could take this chance to create new business opportunities. the company are recommended to consider SDG principle while setting the operation standards. The company will stand in a better position while working with the companies of government which located in other countries where their policy and regulation are following the blueprint of Sustainable Development Goals. So, what are you waiting for? Let's do it together. Wish you have a good night. Thank you for watching our presentations.
How many times have you heard them say the future is uncertain and everything must change?